Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be show you how to add text on TikTok for different times. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So after opening your TikTok, click on this plus icon. I'm recording a video for 15 seconds. And then I'm clicking on text. And here I'm writing something. Hello everyone. And I'm positioning this text from here. Now again click on text, and here you will find the option set duration. Click on it. And now I'm selecting this duration for first 3 seconds. And now I'm clicking on OK, and here we can see the text is visible for first 3 seconds of this video, and then this text. And now I'm again adding another text just like before. So right now I'm typing here bye bye, and I'm again clicking on this text, clicking on set duration. And now I'm selecting the duration for 8 seconds to okay, and then clicking on done. And if I play this video, here we can see the first text and the second text. So this is how we can add text on TikTok for different times. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.